Hi everyone, welcome back to a personal portfolio website application build with Laravel. In this video, we are going to see how to create and delete a social media. Let's first go in our resources, on views, on media, create a file called form.blade.php, go in index.blade.php, remove this to form.blade.php and go back in our index.blade.php, include admin.medias.form. Alright, and go back in form. On this form tag, add a method called post, which will with action root medias.store with ssref token and add name link, and on this other input add name icon. Alright, we haven't created this media.store root, so let's go in web.php file. Over here, duplicate this root. The root will get a post request, and the method will be store, and the name will be media.store. We haven't created this method store in our media controller, so let's go in our media controller. Over here, create a public function called store with request and variable request, and create a variable media, which will get new media link will get a request media, and the media icon will get request icon. And then save media. After, we are going to be redirected to the root media.index. Alright, now when we fill out this form, and click add, we see we are add a new social media in our list. Let's go back in our store function, add over here with store flash message social media added. Alright, let's go in index.blade.php and includes.flash message. Alright, we have already created a flash message. Now when we fill out this form, and click add, we see the message. When we add the media without fill out the form, you see the media is added, but we need to add a validation. So we'll go in our store, create a variable request, validate. The link will be required, and the icon also will be required. And then let's go in form.blade.php file. Over here, add error first link. With alert message. I do the same to this icon input. Alright, now when we try to fill out the form without put nothing, we see the errors appear. We finished to add our social media. Now we are going to see how to delete a social media from database. So we'll go back in our media in index.blade.php. Over here, add a form with method, post, and action with roots, medias.destroy. With the media, we are going to delete and add a method field called the delete. With a ssleft token. And on this button, add a type, it is a submit. And on click, we need to open a pop-up box. We will return a confirm pop-up box. On this pop-up box, we can confirm delete. And then close this form. We haven't created these roots medias.destroy. We'll go in web.php file, copy these roots, and the roots will handle a delete request, and our slash media will get a media. Here a destroy, and here, over here destroy. Now let's go in our media controller, create a function called the destroy. It will get the ID, create a variable media, and get the media with his ID and delete media. After that, redirect to the roots medias.index. With a flash message, social media, deleted. Alright, we'll go back in our index media. We see when we click on this button, there is a pop-up box which helps us to confirm delete. Alright, let's delete the other one. That is all about of create and delete a social media on this portfolio website. In upcoming video, we'll see how different service that we can offer to our potential customer. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.